What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Guys, after a long time I'm back with the new updates of the Pi Network coin. So let's get it started. Guys, before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While I upload a new video, you should be the first one to get its notification. Guys, it is a long time that I'm not uploading video on my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will share the latest update about the Pi Network coin. So guys, before jumping to the Pi Network coin updates, so let me take you to the coin market cap, and this is the condition of the market. Here guys, you can see there is the market 2.33 trillion is the market cap of the cryptocurrency. Coming to the trending coins, there are the trending coins that you can see, guys, trending on DX, Scan, and here is the fair and grid. Overall, this is the Bitcoin price, $2,500 is Ethereum, BNB is near to $600. Guys, coming to the altcoins, overall guys, the altcoins is not pumping. There is a big reason on the altcoins that you can see, guys. Overall, Cardano just dropped its price. The rank of Cardano is on 7th of the market. Overall, guys, this is the condition of the market. So guys, let me take you to the condition of the Pi Network coin. What is happening with the Pi Network coin, guys? Pi Network coin just they overall they opened the mainnet for everyone. So sorry guys, to complete the verification, and still guys, the Pi Network coin mainnet is on pending and it is on hold. Everyone is talking about the mainnet, guys, because it is through 3 to 4 years that people are mining the Pi Network coin inside their mobile device or PC. So overall, everyone is waiting for the mainnet. If you check the Pi Network coin price on the coin market cap, there you can see $39. Again, good guys. So guys, this is the Pi Network coin price. Consider that if the Pi Network coin open mainnet launch, so how much you will be able to earn from the Pi Network coin. Currently, most of the people, they are trading or they are buying, selling the Pi Network coin because the people that they completed the verification, they are able to transfer the Pi Network coin from the wallet to another wallet of the Pi Network coin. So they are selling that with this method. So here is the Pi Network coin PiFest 2024. It starts October 29. There is a news that as I announced 1 month in advance, the city should announce the date of the PiFest not far away. It's finally here after 4 weeks. From the way I received the information, I immediately understood the PiFest would not be the December. So there will be only event in December, the mainnet. And let's jump to the Pi Network IOU Reaches NGN 88.1 million on Coinbase immediate price fluctuation. There is the recent price movements of the Pi. Their Pi's values has been fluctuations over the past week, reflecting the unpredictable nature of the cryptocurrency market. The digital currency experienced a minor decline of 0.41, signaling a potential dip in the demand of market sentiment. However, over the past 24 hours, price exhibited the recovery trend, rising by 2.73%. In the most recent hour alone, the price surged by 1.91%, showing resilience despite its percentage struggles. At present, Pi stands at NGN 18.05 per coin. Here is the long-term price performance. The Pi, a decentralized ecosystem for mobile mining. So here is the Pi Crypto Connect roadmap update, shaping the future of the networks ecosystem. So there is the what is the Pi Crypto Connect? Pi Crypto Connect is cutting-edge initiative that aims to strengthen the connectivity and interoperability of Pi network with the broader digital economy, including other blockchain ecosystems. With this latest roadmap update, both Pi users and developers can gain the clear perspective on the strategic role Pi is set to play in the global cryptocurrency landscape. There is the revolution of cash withdrawals, introducing crypto cash out, the future ATM for Pi coin to fiat money. What is the crypto cash out system? Bringing Pi into everyday transaction. Everyone is waiting for this. A cutting-edge ATM solution that enables users to withdraw fiat money from their Pi coin balances. The repository contains the source code and documentation for the crypto cash out system. Pi network shaking the world with cryptocurrency accessibility. There is guys, you can see that the Pi network coin that is crypto writer who loves to explore the intersection of blockchain technology and financial markets. Overall guys, this is the Pi network coin. So here is the future of digital currency. South Korea maps out Pi coin merchant location, signaling a new global trend. Just in Nigeria's leading banks gear up to welcome the king of cryptocurrencies, Pi network. These are several prominent Nigerian banks, including Zenith Bank, UBA, GTP, First Bank, Sterling Bank, and Axis Bank, have taken significant steps to prepare for the arrival of Pi network coin, a rapidly growing cryptocurrency poised to become a major player in the global financial landscape. There is the Pi network Will's node version 0.5.0 as mainnet launch draws near. This is the best update for the Pi node. Pi network poised for launch a new era of decentralized finance approach. This is an excitement rebuilt within the cryptocurrency community. Pi network is on the brink of launching its mainnet. Everyday revolution using Pi coin for seamless transaction. Unveiling blockchain technology, the security backbone of Pi network in the crypto ecosystem. In today's digital age, blockchain technology has revolutionized how we conduct transactions and store data as a decentralized digital layer. Overall, Pi coin, Pi network pioneering mobile mining and building a friendly crypto community. Guys, still the Pi network coin is available for those who are mining inside their mobile device. Soon Pi shares will be presented to the public in interaction with the companies under the group, including Microsoft, Apple, Tesla, Google, with daily profit percentage. Pi network prepares for mainnet launch, transitioning node from testnet to testnet 2. This is you can see guys, report recompromised account. Protecting your Pi account is a top priority for the core team. If you have shared your password, notice any suspicious activity, report it right away. You can report if you have any suspicious activity inside your account. Pi Feast is back. Pioneers and merchants join the celebration of Pi in global commerce. Using the Pi OS app to discover and connect, the merchants can register via map of Pi. Let's boost real-world Pi utility and empower local businesses. This is over 33k wallets already migrated today, and the migration is still going on the faster rate. 6 hours remain for the day to end, and hoping this will touch 40k just like yesterday. Overall guys, these are the latest update about the Pi network coin. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will catch you in the next one.